apartment, 1960 West 48th Street. We are in the Ohio City neighborhood. That's Lorain Avenue, Urban Community Schools on the corner. Quickly growing business district down there with retail, new stuff coming up all the time, and right next door to one of the most beautiful houses in the city of Cleveland. I love this house. So what we've got here is a house that's zoned 2-family. It has been gutted by the current owner, and it has new roof, windows, and siding. So the exterior, most of that's done, and then it's cleaned out, so that's done too. So you can 1,700 plus square feet, so plenty of room to work with. Got a nice yard. Show you the back here. Now this next door belongs to the county land bank. So there is no, as of right now, if this lot can be obtained from the land bank, you could possibly have a side yard or driveway or a shared driveway and develop the other part of the lot. So the porch was redone at some point, and it seems nice and stable. Heading inside, like I said, it's gutted. So we got tall ceilings, probably 9+ feet, which is awesome. The way this lays out, that was probably a bedroom. That was probably a bedroom for this first floor unit. This could all be opened up. This whole house could be a big single. You could build a carriage house in the back because you've got the 2-family zoning, or you could keep it as it is, with that being a living room, bedroom, dining room. This is a bathroom. And this is the kitchen. So big kitchen, possible for eat-in. So just give you a perspective from the dining room here. This is oak flooring, I believe. And the rest is, we got wide plank. We got some random width. Upstairs, we've got some linoleum. So up here, it's hard to kind of tell what rooms are what, but it does have a furnace. Does it work? I don't know. Doesn't look too bad. So this is probably, that looks like it might have been a kitchen. Again, bedroom. Looks to me like it could be a nice big walk-in closet. Got another little room over here. This looks like it was a bathroom. Hot water tank. So I guess it'd be another bedroom. And then one of these would be a living room and a bedroom. I don't know. But like I said, it just needs to be rethought out and reworked. And plenty of space to work with, to create something really nice. It's a blank canvas. Okay. Gonna head downstairs. Not sure what we can see here, but I will try my best. It's kind of surprised because it's pretty much a full basement or darn close to it, which is unusual for Ohio City. Typically, we've got cisterns or partial basements. They kind of look more like this. And somebody waterproofed this too. I'm not sure. It doesn't really go anywhere, but they put this plastic up on the wall so that the water goes down. But I don't see it has anywhere to go. So I don't know what the point of that was. But, the electrical, it's going to need to be redone, but it was redone at some point. You got real boxes here. Old school Lennox furnace. So this is set up for laundry. Again, usable basement down here is really kind of unheard of. So that's really kind of nice. Copper line coming in. Your gas meter. Nothing too exciting. His chimney actually looks like it's in good shape too. So great location. Ohio City location, like I said, you are right in the edge here of that Lorain Avenue retail district, and stuff is opening up right and left over there, Urban Community School. And we're actually very close in walkable distance to Gordon Square, the theaters, restaurants, coffee shops, all of that over there. So it's a great opportunity for somebody.